welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and over here on this channel we do all things everything hair related. We do a little bit of vlogs, and we also do a little bit of makeup tutorials. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing a tutorial on this hair, y'all. Let me just tell y'all, give y'all the spiel. So this wig is from Hurela hair. They sent me a 26-inch body wave, as you can see, unit in 20, yep, I just said 26 inches, but I'm gonna say it again. In 26 inches, they sent 150 density. It is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. This is just what we're giving, and we just love to see it. Don't you love to see it? Like, this hair is really cute, and it is most definitely giving. I just love how bouncy and fun it is. It is really nice for a date night or girls night. So if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching. I am in love with this hair, and child, it just gives. It's actually really affordable. If you go on the website using the links in the description box, you'll definitely see where this price is super duper reasonable for some inches, y'all, and I would definitely recommend it. And without further ado, let me stop rambling. Let's get into the tutorial so I can show y'all how I got this look. So this is really just how I pin curl. It's super easy and super simple. What I do is I will take my barrel around the hair. Once it's clamped on, I will release the clamp just a little bit, just so the hair can flow through the barrel, and I will curl going backwards and curl towards my face. So if I'm curling towards my face, it doesn't matter if the curl goes up on the iron or down. And that's pretty much what I did to all these curls, so just enjoy watching. It was just really easy to do. Once you do it a lot, you will get the hang of it, most definitely. Just keep on practicing and trying, and you'll definitely get it, girls. Let's jump into pulling these pin curls out. So in the back, I had actually secured my pin curls with 2 pins each. So some of them may be a bit harder to take out, while some of them are easier. Just be really careful because you want these curls to stay nice and flawless. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be doing in this clip, so just keep on watching. And once I'm done, I'll show you guys how these curls look. I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna fan them out, and show you guys how gorgeous this unit is. So this is just how we're looking right now. Really cute. We're gonna just spray her down with some hairspray first, and then we're gonna get into raking through these curls with our comb. So this is the finished look. This is just what we're giving. Look at this gorgeous lace, y'all. Like, I love it so much. I love how nice and gorgeous these curls are. They are super date night friendly, or a girls night, like could be either or. And yeah, so thank you so much Hurela hair for sending this gorgeous wig. I love it. The links for this wig will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. I just love this hair. The curls are really, really pretty, and I know with some hairspray they'll definitely last a super long time. So far I haven't had any matting. Shedding, I've had minimal amounts, and that's just due to me plucking the frontal. So I'm definitely experiencing just a little, nothing crazy, nothing out of this world, just a little bit of shedding, nothing that I did not expect. And yeah, I think you guys will definitely enjoy this unit if you purchase, because it's really a really good buy, and I'm so here for these curls. So thank you so much for watching. Without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.